A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I'm your computer teacher, Shivani ma'am. Students, as you know, that the chapters which we are doing in computer, that is chapter number 3, personalizing Windows. It is a totally practical based chapter, and due to which I'm making this video. In this video, I will show you how to change the screen saver of a computer, how to change the desktop background image, and how to open control panel. So students, as you can see, this is a computer background. Okay, this whole screen, there is a picture of window, blue color picture. This is a computer background. We can change the background setting of a computer according to our choice. The steps which will I tell you in this video are totally according to Windows 10 software, because the Windows 10 is the most used software nowadays, and in our school lab also we have Windows 10. बट इन योर बुक द स्टेप्स आर गिवन अकॉर्डिंग टू विंडोज 7. तो जो बुक में जो स्टेप्स दिया है वो आप फॉलो मत करिएगा. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग a computer in your house which is equipped with Windows 7 software, then you can use the steps which are given in the book. But if you are having Windows 10 software, then you need to follow this video. दोनों तरीके के आपको स्टेप्स दी गए हैं. एक बुक में है विंडोज 10 के 7 के अकॉर्डिंग, और एक विंडोज 10 के अकॉर्डिंग मैं बना रही हूँ. तो आपके घर में जो भी कंप्यूटर है आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू change the background image of the desktop. For that, first you need to right click on a empty space in the desktop screen. जहाँ पे खाली जगह है, जहाँ पे कोई आइकन्स नहीं है, you need to right click on the empty space. Okay. After that, click on personalize. This time we will use left click. याद रखिए, जब मैं क्लिक बोलूंगी तो क्लिक का मीन्स होता है ओनली लेफ्ट क्लिक. नाउ क्लिक ऑन पर्सनलाइज. आफ्टर दैट a new window will appear. Here you can see the background is written. From here you can change the background image of your desktop screen. I am choosing this picture. Now I am minimizing this window, and you can see the background image of the desktop is changed. Okay. Now अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि आप जो कंप्यूटर में जो इमेजेस पहले से सेव है उसको कैसे आप इसमें बैकग्राउंड एज अ बैकग्राउंड इमेज चूज कर सकते हैं. For that, I am inserting my pen drive, so that there are some images in my pen drive, and I will show you how to put that images as desktop background. First, we will click on the browse. Then we will choose the location here where the picture is saved. Let me search some images. Is there any images in my pen drive or not? I selected an image, and now this is the background of your computer screen. Again, maximize the window from here. Let me show you again. Click on browse. Then choose the location from the left panel, that is navigation pane. आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था ना last class में the parts of file explorer window. Then open a folder, and here you can choose the image which you want to insert. Click on the image and click on choose picture. Okay. So in this way you can set the desktop background. यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा जो पिक्चर आ रही है वो पूरे स्क्रीन में प्रॉपरली नहीं आ रही है, तो वी कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द सेटिंग फ्रॉम हेयर. Just click on this option, choose a fit, and then choose any option. Let's choose fit. Now the image will appear in the actual size. Here you can see. Okay. So these were the steps of how to change the background image of the desktop. Now I will show you how to change the screensaver setting in your computer. We all know screensaver is a visual effect which comes when you leave your computer for a period of time. So let's start. First, right click on the desktop and then click on personalize. Then we will click on themes. Sorry, we will click on lock screen in the left pane. Then scroll down the screen and click on screensaver setting. From here you can choose different types of screensaver, like you can choose bubbles. अगर आप थोड़े टाइम के लिए अपना सिस्टम छोड़ देंगे बिना माउस को टच किए, बिना कुछ किए, तो इस टाइप का स्क्रीन सेवर आपकी स्क्रीन में आ जाएगा. देन you can also choose a blank screen, or you can choose a picture of your choice. You can choose 3D text also. Okay. In 3D text you can write whichever you want. Here मैंने यहाँ पे जैसे कंप्यूटर लिखा है, मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ कंप्यूटर क्लास 4. Okay. Then you can also choose the color from here. I'm choosing now, let's choose green color, and then click on OK. Then again click on OK. Okay. So now the screensaver will look like this way, and you can select the time from here where wait is written. यहाँ से आप टाइमिंग चूज कर सकते हैं, whether you want for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Okay. Then click on OK. So these were the settings how to set the screensaver in your computer. Now next I will show you how to open control panel. Okay. For that you need to click on the start button first. Then simply type control panel in the search box. As I wrote control, the control panel option is already appeared. Then I will click on it. This is the window how control panel looks. Here you can change the settings, any type of settings from here. This is like a control room, and you can manage the settings of your computer from here, whether it is related to system, whether it is related to sound, whether it is related to any hardware device like mouse, administrative tool, date and time. You can do all these things from here. Okay. So students, in this video we had learned about different types of things, like how to change the screensaver, how to change the desktop background, and how to open control panel. Okay. Okay students, now we will see how to change the screen resolution setting in your computer. मैंने screen resolution के ऊपर एक आपके नोट्स में भी एक क्वेश्चन है, हाउ टू राइट द स्टेप्स फॉर चेंजिंग स्क्रीन रेजोल्यूशन. लेट मी टेल यू फर्स्ट स्क्रीन रेजोल्यूशन होता क्या है. स्क्रीन रेजोल्यूशन मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल्स विच अ कंप्यूटर कैन शो इन अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने अगर कभी कोई इमेज अगर आप ज़्यादा जूम कर देते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा इमेज जो होती है वो ब्लर हो जाती है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो हमारे इमेजेस हैं वो छोटे छोटे